myself Namit. Now I'm going to take one of the interview of my candidate in order to experiment all the questions, how we can make some of the question and answer of the question imperative. And this video will more helpful for you if you want to get the 7 plus 8 plus band score in your speaking. So let's start. What's your full name?
My name is Sukhmanjot Kaur.
Okay, where are you from?
I came from the small village which is located in Bithinda, that is called Tungwali.
Okay, are you a student or do you have a job?
Well, recently senior secondary has been completed by me. Nowadays communication skills are being improved by me.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask some question which is related to dictionary. Do you often use the dictionary?
Yes, definitely dictionary is used by me because it is beneficial for me in order to broaden my horizon of knowledge. Not only this but also in this way I can take a lot of knowledge regarding the every meaning of the word.
Which dictionary do you prefer to use? Electronic dictionary or paper dictionary?
Well, preference is given by me towards both type of dictionaries, whether it is on paper or whether it is electric. Sometimes I like to use the paper dictionary because it is convenient for me in order to find out the word meaning. But on the other hand, when I do not have enough time in order to search the word, at that time I always use the electronic dictionary.
Okay. In the present scenario, high popularity has been gained by the electronic dictionaries. Do you think that the paper dictionary will disappear in the future or in the coming years?
Well, future is unpredictable. No one knows what happen in next second. But due to the high popularity which has been gained by the electronic dictionary, it can be said that the trend of paper dictionary likely to be decreased. But it is very hard to say that it may be disappear in the future.
Okay. What type of people, like what kind of people do you think write the dictionary?
Well, dictionaries are always written by the people who have a lot of knowledge regarding the words. Not only this, but also people who have expert in the working field, like as who have a lot of knowledge regarding the exploration of the words. Not only this, but also the people who have a lot of knowledge regarding the everything and about the every part of the world.
Okay, if you get a chance, would you like to write a dictionary or not?
Well, I do not have enough knowledge regarding the dictionary, but I used to use the dictionary for my academics purpose. But if I get a chance in order to learn something unique about the dictionary, I definitely like to learn.
Would you like to write it?
Well, not. I do not have enough interest in write the dictionary.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask some question which is related to handwriting. Do you think handwriting is still important and why?
Yes, handwriting play an indispensable role in everyone's life because without writing person cannot do anything. Not only this but also with the help of handwriting person can get every kind of opportunity because in the present scenario a lot of things are done by the person by handwriting.
Okay. When do children begin to write in your country?
Well, at the age of 3, they always go to the primary school so that they can learn they can learn the writing skills. Not only this, but also with the help of their teacher, they can learn about how to write in an imperative manner so that they can enhance their handwriting.
In the present scenario, nobody like to use the traditional handwriting. They just want to make their notes and make their writing on the computer. Do you think that this trend likely to be increased in the future?
Yes, definitely. Due to sophistication in technology, it has become convenient for the dwellers in order to write the email or anything with the help of the keypad. But I do not think that the writing will disappear. And but it can be said that the trend of the electronic keypad likely to be decreased in the future.
Okay. Now this is your cue card. You have a 1 minute in order to prepare it. Describe something important that has been kept in your family for a long time. Okay, let's start.
Undeniably, numerous type of things are kept by my family member from the tradition culture. But here I would like to talk about one of the things which always kept by my family member. It is none other than the spinning wheel. Actually, a lot of things are liked by me about the spinning wheel. First of all, it is the culture related spinning wheel, because in the ancient time people use the spinning wheel so that they can make the thread with the help of cotton. Not only this, but also it is beneficial for the dwellers in order to gain some of the money with the help of spinning wheel. Along with it, with the help of spinning wheel, I came to know about the traditional way which is used by the people so that they can cover, so that they can use their best manner in order to improve their skills. Furthermore, with the help of spinning wheel, I came to know about the tradition and culture values, because it is always kept by my family from my grandmother, and my grandmother always gifted it to my mother so that they can pass it from generation to generation. Along with it, with the help of this spinning wheel, I can also say that in this way we can make the strong bonds between the family members. Furthermore, with the help of these kind of things, people can broaden their horizon of knowledge, because it is one of the way in order to learn something unique and better. So it is one of the spinning wheel which is always kept by my family member, and I always think that if I get a chance, in order to preserve some of the special things in my family, I always like to kept them so that I can describe it in front of my generation.
Which do you think are better, old thing or new things?
Well, both old and new things have their own importance and significance, which cannot be denied. But because it cannot be wrong to say that old is gold. But nowadays, people always like to purchase the new things so that they can know about the different things and traditions.
As well as family photographs, what are some other things that the people keep in their family for a long time?
Well, numerous type of things are kept by the dweller in their family. Firstly, they like to keep some of the coins, not only the coin but also the jewelry, which is always wear by their grandparents. They always used to some of the pets, which are some of the coins also.
Why these things are passed by the people generation to generation?
Well, all things are always passed by the dweller from generation to generation, because in this way they can make their strong bonds. Not only this, but also it is alternative path, alternative way in order to know about the traditional culture of the Asian people.
Why in the present scenario most of the people prefer to purchase the new things rather than repairing to the old?
Well, preference is always given by the dwellers to purchase the new thing, because they think that if they repair the old thing, then they always use the same thing in their daily routine. But with the help of new things, they can take the break from their monotonous or daily hectic schedule. Along with it, due to the sophistication in technology, people always like to purchase the new things so that they can feel comfortable.
In this way, consumerization is increasing, which lead the pollution. What do you think about it?
Yes, it is detrimental for the environment, not only for the environment but also for the living beings and the animals which are on the edge of
What is the
extinction.
reason behind the unnecessary buying that lead the consumerization?
Well, unnecessary buying is always liked by the people because they want to show their social status in front of public. Not only this, but also due to the high popularity which has been gained by the fashionable clothes, they always like to wear the good things so that they can enhance their personality.
How the people can aware regarding this?
Well, a lot of things can be done by the government in order to aware the people regarding the consumerization. First of all, they have to make some of the plans so that they can implement on the so that they can implement on the products which are harmful for the environment. Not only this, but also with the help of organizations, they can also aware the people.
Okay. So this was one of the speaking which I have conducted one and experiment one of my candidate. Hope कर दिया properly समझ आया होगा. If anyone have any kind of doubt, if anyone want to boost the scores and anyone have a desire in order to boost the score but some of the doubts someone have, please comment on my video so that I can upload the another videos on the queries which are always given by you. Thank you so much.